Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. I'm your friendly neighborhood PM here to give you your top 3 market points of the week. Now, the market's been pretty rough this week, and it's largely due to earnings. So without further ado, we're going to go right into the top 3 names that have been driving the markets this week. At name number 3, it is Microsoft having a bit of a mixed earnings report. Now, they did beat on revenue and EPS, but they did get a lot of flack for seeing their growth slow down on their Azure cloud computing segment, going from plus 31% to only plus 29%. Now, they have echoed that this is largely due to capacity constraints meeting customer demand, so they are still very strongly investing in their AI infrastructure to build out their cloud computing services. At name number 2, it is Apple, actually having a strong beat on revenue, thanks in large part to their iPad and services segment as well. Now, a larger theme that's been going on with Apple as of late is their push to get into the entire AI boom just along with everybody else. Now, they have gone out and issued a statement that they're expecting new AI features to come to their products in the coming months, probably around October. And this is probably going to be expected to kick off a new upcycle demand for consumers to get the new iPhone and MacBooks as well. So be on the lookout for those new features that are going to come out later this fall. And then finally, number 1 that you've probably seen on the headlines today, it is Amazon getting crushed right now after their earnings report came out. Now, it was a bit of a mixed result. They did miss on revenues, and really what's dragging them so much is the fact that they revised their guidance on their operating income for the next quarter down below analyst expectations, and the market has really sold off as a result of that. Now, this does go and overshadow what was relatively a strong quarter for their AWS cloud service and their ad revenue stream as well, which are seeing double-digit growth rates on top of that. Now, this is also on the back of Amazon coming out and saying that they were going to increase their CapEx spending to build out their AI infrastructure. So that kind of means that the profit outlook is going to take a backseat for a while. Now, this is not new for Amazon. This is how they've traditionally run their business in the past, is they like to invest strongly in what they view as long-term growth opportunities. And that's what they're analyzing right now, is that the AI tailwinds are right there and they want to take advantage of that. So those are your 3 names that are really moving markets this week. What do we look to for next week? Well, surprise, surprise, it's going to be more and more earnings as the S&P 500 continues to issue out their quarterly earnings reports. So we'll keep you updated on that front as well next week again. Now, that does it for this week's video. As always, if you have additional questions, please reach out to your financial advisor or dig into the written week in review. But as always, please go enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you at the same time next week. Thanks. Bye.